What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Wabash River at Mount Carmel. When? From Friday evening until further notice. Impacts. At 22.9 feet, water begins to flow over River Road just north of 5th Street in the Mount Carmel area. Additional details, at 9:45 p.m. Thursday, or 8:45 p.m. Thursday / the stage was 13.6 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late tomorrow evening and continue rising to a crest at 22.7 feet Thursday, March 12th. Flood stage is 19.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety flood